we think that results will come from time, which means the longer I practice, the better I will get. But I would actually argue here that that is actually not true. What is actually helping you improve and what is actually getting you better is actually your focus, right? When I first started learning how to sing, I just think, if I just practice, 4 or 5 hours each day, I will get better. But the thing that was really underlying the improvements that I was making is it's more about how much focus I was having. Did I have a goal in mind when I was practicing? Was I trying to challenge myself? And was I present? Was I actually present when I came to practicing? Or was I thinking about something else or on my phone? These are the things that actually get you better. So when it comes to how long should you even be practicing, the first question I would be asking yourself is, how long can I focus for? If it's 15 minutes, then why don't you start with a 15-minute practice session? If it's less than that, if it's only 5 minutes, okay, why don't we try start off with a 5-minute practice session?